Information. Where do we get information about how to live and what to do? Information is everywhere, anywhere in space, and is transmitted instantly. Quantum oscillations. The frequency of oscillations of energy informational waves is present at the virtual level. Reading and decoding of information waves occurs by means of perception of a particular frequency. Particles can instantly and repeatedly influence each other in space. The same thing happens with the information field. This property is called quantum entanglement. The electrodes are always interconnected. The relationship is based on two principles. First, one electrode is red, the second is red, identity. Second, one electrode is red, the second is green, opposite. We either accept the energy informational frequency, or we repel, deny. Interesting, not interesting, tempting. We do not react to most of the information in any way. We do not identify ourselves with it. According to the law of energy interactions, energy conducting devices have been created. We put two batteries, where there is always a plus to a plus and a minus to a minus. But the batteries are nested in opposite directions. More precisely, where one has a plus, the second has a minus, and vice versa. That is, horizontally plus to plus, and vertically plus to minus. Hence, it is possible to predict the result only if we know exactly at what point we are and where we radiate our energy waves. If we hit the point with a plus sign, then the result will be with a plus sign. If we are in the minus position, respectively, the result will be with a minus sign. If we, from the point of the report with a plus sign, direct the energy wave in a straight line vertically or horizontally, it does not matter, the result will be negative. A downward wave of energy. If we, from the point of the report with a minus sign, direct the energy wave in a straight line, vertically or horizontally, the result will be positive. An upward wave of energy. But we can determine this only within a limited interval. What matters is not the right direction, but the right position. The expression, in the right place, at the right hour, explains how important it is for any undertaking to get to the moment where all the energy components resonate synchronously. In other words, plus with plus, that is, to the point of powerful energy radiation. The light source itself has the most powerful vibrational force than the waves emanating from it. From a geometric point of view, if we consider the situation from the position of two batteries that make objects move, from plus to plus and minus to minus, it turns out that in order to get from a minus position to a plus position, you must always move at an angle of 90 degrees. And if we get into the wave itself, then the result of our intention will not be long in coming. Getting into the most powerful flow of information, people make the greatest discoveries of the century. But how to get into this very wave? It seems that we almost always move at an angle of 45 degrees. Those who are in the black are always in the black, those who are in the red are constantly in the red. This is a good time to remember quantum entanglement. Vibrations of energy waves propagate at different frequencies, both vertically and horizontally. There are no straight lines in the universe. Since energy flows, at the same time, move both to the input and to the output, depending on the speed of movement, the wave of energy moves either forward or it is carried back. From here, sometimes we have the feeling that we are walking in circles. It is necessary to increase the speed of the vibrations of the intention. Then the wave will not be thrown back. When the frequency of vibrations moving in different directions is synchronized, there will be a connection of feedbacks at a high frequency, that is, in an ideal position, there will be a fusion of soul and body. Complete harmony. Channels of full access to high-frequency level information are opened. We know, we understand, we know what to do. It is important to know where we are and where we are going. Light matrix.